My favorite thing about working at Enginetech is that I get to work with engine parts and I get to do something different every day.
My favorite thing here at Enginetech is the people and the culture that's here. The people, they put forth so much effort in what they do, making sure that we do have a good quality product that's going out the back door, and that everybody that works here goes the extra mile, and that's just a wonderful place to work at and a wonderful experience. I enjoy working with people that are really putting forth the extra effort.
My favorite thing about my job here at Enginetech is the family culture and taking care of the customer's problem if one should arise.
My favorite part of my job here at Enginetech would be customer relations through dialogue and challenges of this industry, coming with a viable solution to solve their problems.
Favorite job by Enginetech. I work with great people. I have a lot of flexibility. All I do is crunch data all day, so they pretty much leave me alone so I can get it all done. And it's just a really good work environment. I've been here 12 years, so I wouldn't stay if it wasn't a great place to work.
My passion for engines comes from watching my dad fix cars when I was a kid to get them ready to race. He would race at the dirt tracks, and it was just a lot of fun to see the mud flying around everywhere.
My passions for engines, well, it started when my dad, he was a motor pool sergeant in the U.S. Army, so I was kind of born into it. I think my first toy that I had was a socket set, and my mom, she was feeding me through an oil can with a nipple on top. And so I was destined for it. So I've been working and tinkering with all sorts of engines, whether it's hot rod engines, lawnmower engines, antique boat engines, race car engines. I'm always wanting to play with the engine, you know, and that's where my focus is.
Passion for engines comes from my father. My father had his own independent shop for 30 years, so that's where I got it from.
My passion for engines came about 16 years old, starting in stock car racing. Just a desire to know what an engine, the internals, what it makes it click. And through the years of working in racing and engine industry, looking what to improve on power and durability.
My passion for engines came from, well, I've always been in the truck industry, medium duty trucks mainly, parts and service for over 40 years. When I was about 8 years old, my grandfather used to he was an airplane mechanic, so he'd stick me out in the garage with a bunch of tools, tell me to take stuff apart and put it back together. I've always loved mechanics, and I just always loved auto parts. I've been doing it for a long time.
One thing that I would like everyone to know about Enginetech is that we are a family-owned company, and we're able to put our customers first and not just looking for a quick profit.
Well, one thing is the amount of effort that everybody does put forth working here to make sure that a good quality product is going out there. Everybody does stand up and put their best foot forward, always going the extra mile and making sure that the products that we are sending to our customers are perfect.
The one thing I'd like for customers to know about Enginetech is on our website is the monthly specials.
One thing I would like people to know about Enginetech is it's a US-based company. It's very family oriented, and we focus on customer service.
But one thing about Enginetech, they really do care about the customer. That's pretty much the way everything is focused into getting the parts they need, the pricing, the data. It's all about the customer.